Hi guys, welcome to the vlog and quick update lang regarding the Rock Brews na bottle cage. Nag-loosen na siya, as you can see. Yan. May tendency na mahulog sa ride and wag naman sana ay maka-disgrasya. Anyway, replace natin ng Zefal. This one is Zefal Wiz. Yan, nabili ko sa Shopee for around 250 pesos. Actually, naka-sale siya around 300 plus, pero nabili ko ng 250 kasama shipping. Okay, install natin. Okay, na-install na. Yan.